Hello guys, friends from Curacao, Aruba, Bonaire, St. Martin, ex-ALM MD-11 pilots, here we are again. This time not with my beloved 747 Classic, or better, or the WLPG like my friend of Piscadera is calling it, but this time a very nice aircraft, which is the MD-11. I'm telling you, this thing is just like the real thing. All warning sounds, engine sounds, flight system, everything works just like the real thing. Well, this will be just a short demo, just to make you caliente, to make you hot and start buying the MD-11 like crazy. Our APU is running, cabin is ready, so time to depart. IRS selectors. NAV. Communication radio. VHF number 1. Fuel switches. Manual off and off.
Our takeoff will be from runway 36 left with the Gorlo 3 Victor departure.
And that's runway heading till 5 DME, then left turn radial 316, 272, and then 11 DME from SPY, we intercept radial 243 to Gorlo.